So this is just a quick add-on to Mailbag 50-ish. Here's the plasma disc. These are very, well, they're basically the same as a plasma globe, except they've made it flat. It also reacts similar. If you move metal towards it, it'll go to the discharge goes towards the metal or the grounded surface. Here's something cute. I'm just going to hold this. I've got a very large neoprene magnet in my hand, and well, it really likes to react to that magnet. I'm not sure if it's the display or the electronics in the back that is going crazy due to the magnet. Now, to just zoom in a tiny little bit. Okay, more than a tiny little bit. You can see that the discharges are going between those little blips or bumps that you have in there. It's probably just, those are probably there just to help break up the path that it's following. So, nope, not LEDs, but from a distance, my first thought was, is this something where it's just fake or whatever? But no, it's a gas discharge. Yeah, that's the closest I can get with this zoom. A couple things I'll do in the future is I'll probably do a gentle tear down of it. And also I'm going to see what happens if I boost the voltage. So if there's interest in that, I'll do it in the future. But it is a cute little fluff toy, just like a plasma globe. Have a good one. Bye.